Hi, I'm Brandon. Today we're going to be exploring a fascinating and complex topic known as wicked problems and see how they relate to the world of open innovation. Wicked problems are challenges that are deeply interconnected with other issues, making them resistant to straightforward solutions. The concept of wicked problems was first introduced by Horst Rittel and Melvin Weber in 1973, and it has since become a critical framework for understanding complex, multifaceted issues in various fields. What sets wicked problems apart from other challenges is their inherent complexity. Unlike simple or tame problems, wicked problems lack a clear, definitive problem statement. One person might view the problem from one angle, while another sees it entirely differently. This divergence in understanding makes it difficult to even agree on what the problem is, let alone how to solve it. Another characteristic of wicked problems is that they have no stopping rule. In other words, there's no point where we can definitively say, this problem is solved. Even when a solution is implemented, new challenges often arise as a result, causing the problem to evolve. This constant state of flux makes it impossible to find a final, one size fits all solution. Consider climate change as an example. This is arguably one of the most prominent wicked problems we face today. It's not just an environmental issue, but also an economic, political, and social one. Addressing climate change involves tackling the energy we use, the food we produce, how we build our cities, and the policies that govern our industries. Yet, every action taken to mitigate climate change has far reaching consequences, some positive, others less so. For instance, transitioning to renewable energy sources can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but it also requires significant investments and can disrupt existing industries. Moreover, while electric vehicles reduce emissions, they increase the demand for electricity, which could still be carbon intensive depending on the energy source. Urban development presents another example of a wicked problem. Cities worldwide are grappling with the challenge of becoming more sustainable and livable while accommodating growing populations. Take housing as an example. Increasing housing density in urban areas can help make cities more affordable and reduce the need for long commutes, which is beneficial for the environment. However, it can also strain existing infrastructure, lead to congestion, and change the character of neighborhoods, raising concerns among residents. Every decision in urban planning involves trade offs. Expanding public transportation networks can reduce car dependency and lower emissions, but it requires significant investment and can disrupt communities during construction. One of the most challenging aspects of wicked problems is their interdependence with other issues. Any attempt to address a wicked problem can create new problems or exacerbate existing ones. It's a bit like squeezing a balloon. Pressing down on one side causes the other side to bulge. This interconnectedness means that solutions often require a holistic approach, considering the broader system in which the problem exists. Wicked problems also resist quantification. In traditional problem solving, data and metrics are used to measure success. But with wicked problems, the lack of a clear definition and the evolving nature of the problem make it difficult to determine what data to collect or how to interpret it. Success is often subjective and depends on the perspectives of different stakeholders. When dealing with wicked problems, it's important to recognize that there are no perfect solutions, only trade offs. Solutions need to be adaptive, allowing for continuous learning and adjustment as the problem evolves. Collaboration across different sectors and disciplines is often essential, as no single entity has all the answers. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of wicked problems. I hope you found the insight into their complexity and potential solutions as insightful as I did. Hopefully, we can all continue to work together and collaborate for a better future.